Now what we can see here is the prices also behaved like Euro USD. The prices tried to reach higher price levels and then return back down. We can see that the Friday, the previous week, has ended here. The price dropped down after the prices made a breakout, confirm that this breakout is a valid one. The price did not return back down. The prices closed here and then continued to move up, reaching this area, which is a confluence of resistance. We can see it here, a supply zone at 1.23 price level, and the price dropped down. Then the price, after the price dropped, it has broke below this support, returned back up, testing the previous support, now acting as a resistance, and continue to fall down. We can see that the price is currently here between support and resistance levels. I have mentioned this inside the trading community. We can see it here. Just a minute. We can see it here that the entry was here and the stop loss 1.2164 and the take profit 1.2290. So if you would like to check more details, go inside the trading community. You will see my entry ideas also for the next week. Now let's see the weekly how this looks. It looks in the previous week I was expecting that the price will continue to move up because this of bullish pin bar, and this has happened, but the price stopped here just around this confluence of resistance and then drop it down, now forming a bearish pin bar, which is also closed below this critical level, which means a very bad for the bulls. Now let's go to the monthly and see how this looks. It looks very bearish. We can see it here. The prices jumped from here and then returned back down, but we have still 2 more weeks until this month ends, so everything's still open. Very critical level was here, which was broken the previous month. Now very critical level is this one here, 1.20 price level, where the price has reached it already and bounced back up. You can see it here, more than 300 pips. So this was expected. I have mentioned in previous week analysis, and I also have shared the entry ideas for these moves. Now as it looks right now on the monthly time frame, very critical level is this one here, and we have 2 more weeks, which is very important that we look on the lower time frames. But very critical, if the price goes below this one, it will mean that this month is completely bearish and there is a possibility that the price will continue to fall even more down. But until that happens, we have 2 more weeks. We will see what happens on the weekly time frame. I do not expect that the price will continue to move up, but on the monthly time frame we need to see the price above this 1.23 price level, which is a very critical level for the bulls to return back up. Now let's go to the weekly and see what are the critical levels. The price is close below, so this means for me that the price will continue to fall down, and the first level where the price could stop is this one here, 1.2 price levels. It can be slightly, but we will see that much more clearly on the daily time frame. On the above side, I do not expect that the price will continue to reverse back up, but anything can happen. We can see it here. The price has tried to reach higher price levels and then return it back down. I was expecting that the price will continue to move up, but this didn't happen because something has happened on the market, and the market returns back down where the critical levels are here. So very important level for the bulls, it is here. To go above these 2 weeks candles open and close, it is above 1.224 price level. If we go to the daily time frame, we will see much more clearly how this looks. We can see that very important level is 1.234 price level. We can see it here. Until the price goes above, everything is still bearish. This is neutral, some kind of a neutral area, but let's zoom out a little bit. We will see much more clearly how this looks. You can see that very important level for the price to get into more neutral area is this one here, about 1.23 price level. But below that, everything is bearish. Now the price is in between the resistance and the support, so I'm expecting that the price will reach back down again this support around 1.2 price level. Now lower below that is 1.19 price level, which is, you can see here, it is a demand zone where the price will also stop, but we have here a strong monthly support which will also act on the price, will prevent the price from reaching lower levels. But there is a possibility that we will see these weeks, you can see it here, when the prices reach this area, coming close to this demand zone. So I'm open to see the price here. For the entry, stop loss and take profit levels, join my trading community and we will see there inside much more details. Now let's go to the gold to see how this has looked. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.